out here today to showcase our partnership with Henry Ford Allegiance Health and the Dahlem Center, and we've created these health and wellness signs and exercise emblems for these trails. So as you go along, there are 7 different spots that you can stop for mindfulness and exercise, whether you're walking, using a wheelchair, a walker, what have you. It's open access for everybody.
And just being out here and walking and utilizing it could promote your physical well-being, your physical health. What I love about the Dahlem area is that you are in nature, and as you see here, we are within the woods and have a lot of different components for children to see and touch and feel and be in nature. So it really stimulates the mind and those sensory components to your upbringing, your child development too.
Come out and see the beautiful sights out here, and we thank the Dahlem Center for the partnership with Henry Ford Allegiance Health and Sports Medicine.